This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting the visible essentials and validating compatibility. 2 displays, lenses, EMU, microcontroller, and frame files. Measure your displays and lens spacing first so optical geometry aligns. This prevents distortion later. Next, test the IMU and microcontroller on a bench to confirm data output and USB power. Once done, lay out the PCB or breakout wires on cardboard and mark mounting points. Make sure to label every connector. Organization speeds assembly and avoids rework. You now integrate optics with electronics. Secure displays into the shell, but leave shims for fine adjustments. Accurate interpupillary distance prevents eye strain. Solder display flex to the controller and route shielded USB and power lines to reduce noise. Calibrate the IMU by performing static and dynamic checks so orientation data is clean. Then, overlay test patterns on each display and iterate lens distance with shims until image sharpness and chromatic alignment are acceptable. Make small changes. Optical tolerances are unforgiving. You finish by installing firmware and running sensor fusion calibration so tracking is stable. Configure lens distortion maps in software and verify frame timing at target refresh. Once happy, seat the electronics in the printed shell, affix face foam, and secure cable strain reliefs to prevent intermittent faults. Test with a simple VR demo for motion-to-photon latency and visual artifacts. If things go wrong, recalibrate the IMU, rerun lens alignment with test patterns, and make sure all USB and ground shielding is intact to fix drift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.